Norsk Hydro were using hydroelectricity to make hydrogen. It's actually not a very hard thing to do. If you pass electricity through water, which is H2O, you can break it apart into hydrogen and oxygen. So, as you can see, we're collecting hydrogen here in this test tube, which is basically all that Norsk Hydro were doing, just on a vastly larger scale. And then they'd take the hydrogen and use it to make fertilizer.
But a few years before the war, scientists made an extraordinary discovery. A new kind of hydrogen. One where the nucleus contained an extra neutron, making it heavier. Scientists called it deuterium. And just like normal hydrogen, deuterium combined with oxygen to make a new kind of water. Heavy water.
We call it heavy water for a very simple reason. I've got some heavy water here that we've frozen into heavy ice, and if I just drop it in this glass of ordinary water, you can see it sinks straight to the bottom. Now, heavy water is actually present in ordinary water. It's about 0.01%. Or in other words, in this 5 liters of ordinary water, there's about that much heavy water. And one of the side effects of the process of breaking up water into oxygen and hydrogen is the heavy water is very slightly harder to break up than the light water. And so you end up with the water that's left behind having a slightly higher concentration of heavy water. And if you do this again and again and again and again and again and again and again, you can eventually end up with this, which is essentially pure heavy water. This is from Norsk Hydro. It's 99.76% pure heavy water.